All right, guys. Quick little update. Gonna do a quick install here. Z1 diff brace for the 370Z. It's a fairly new product. Figured I'd grab one. I've already got the solid diff bushings, subframe collars, all that fun stuff, but why not, right? Stiffer's better, if you get what I'm saying. Anyway, quick install. We're just gonna go over it, and here we go. All right, pretty basic stuff. Comes with your brace. It includes a jack point. Of course, I use the quick jack, so I won't need that unless I'm just doing something quick in the rear. But it's nice to have. Very solid. Comes with your bolts and your nut. They give you an install manual, which you can scan. I will link to that as well. Basically tells you what you need. Of course, a socket wrench, 14, 17, and 19 millimeter wrenches, along with sockets, depending on, how you have to go about it. We'll find out once we're under there, but now that it's up in the air, let's get started. All right, first part, pretty straightforward in the instructions. Once you're back here, now I have the stock one. The pictures and the instructions is Z1 larger capacity cover. This works with either one, but you're basically removing these two bolts right here. So let's go ahead and get that done, and we'll move on to the next step. All right, so this next part is not too hard. The instructions don't make it super clear with the pictures, but basically you're taking this nut, you're gonna have to stick it through a wrench like this, and we're basically, see if I can get a good angle of this with this camera. It's gonna have to come out here, so we're going to feed it through on a wrench to stick out here. I will do that, and then you will see the finished product here in just a second. Basically, trying to get this, if it'll focus, like this. Then we're going to take the brace and hold it up there and thread the bolt through. I don't have enough hands to do that in video, but we'll get you here afterward. All right, now that we have loosely threaded that in, we're now able to come in, line everything up, and then put those other two bolts in. Longer one goes on the bottom. May need to use a jack or whatever to lift up the diff to line it up, but we'll get those done. We'll tighten them down, we'll tighten the other one, and then we will torque to spec. I'll get those specs, and then I'll tell you here in just a second. All right, and there we have it. Z1 diff brace installed. Quick note, these that mount to the diff cover itself should be 32 foot-pounds, 55 for the one on the subframe. But otherwise, very, very easy install. Hopefully this stiffens up even more. Can't have too much of that. And this is nice for a lot of people. Obviously the Z1 cover has the fit cooling fins. This fits right in between them. So it's a very nice design. I'm very happy with it so far. We'll test it out on the road. I've got some other things to check out under here while I've got the car up in the air today. But that's it. If you like the video, give me a like and subscribe, and appreciate it, guys. Thanks.